nature works as a collective. Nature is a holistic, integrated unity. And we, in our nature, act like completely autonomous, separated parts. And our actions are mostly to the detriment of the system because of that. We work opposite to the law of nature. So how could we imagine that working individually would bring us any kind of perception into the nature of nature? What it wants, how it acts, what its laws are, when we're working in the opposite? You have to be in a certain place where the work exists, where the light can act on you, because it works on the individual through the individual's reconnection to the whole of what that individual actually is, not the very small part that we consider to be ourselves. So the work is to get us to get involved that way, even though every fiber in our body does not want to do that. Intellectually, we have great arguments not to do it. Physically, we have all kinds of things that will happen that will say, well, I can't because I'm not well, or I can't. All of these things are all qualities that we are trying to work above. We don't do away with them because they're also necessary for our development. But unless we're working in the place where spiritual work actually occurs, we're not doing any spiritual work.